Hey everybody. Hey, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. We're at the Bear Ranch up here in the UP today. Gonna see what's out here. He's got Fruit Loops cereal.
Fruit Loops. It's got Fruit.
He just got a treat.
He got Fruit Loops.
That's why they were walking back and forth.
Aww.
These are the young ones. Oh, gonna come up and say hi.
Is that okay?
Gulp that right up. You get ice cream.
You want to take photos, huh?
Ice cream.
He's eating ice cream.
He's eating the ice cream. He's like, I don't know.
Look at him go. He is active. They're just playing. Oh, he found his face. Yeah, it's a lazy bear, just casually eating apples.
But there's one that's like right there.
Hey, he's scratching. He's scratching it.
He's lazy.
There he goes.
He's coming right underneath us. Oh, here comes another.
Michelle, throw some apple.
He is lazy. Oh, here it comes. Look at that.
Throw it, Michelle. Give it to me.
Oh, he's going in, Michelle. Look. He's going in the water. Give me an apple, Melanie. Throw it in the water. I said he'll swim for food. He is right below me.
Other one is coming.
Are they coming? Oh, now they realize there's food over here.
Look at the other one, so cute.
Oh, he picked it up.
So cool.
It took it by the paw.
Yeah, he picked it right up.
Even that one, look at
I
that.
can't believe it.
Look at that one, they put it in the cup of their paw.
Yeah, I can't.
He's lazy though. He doesn't really want to go in or do much.
Oh, there you go. He's gonna go.
Is he gonna pick it up? Look at that.
It doesn't really want to go in the water. It's like, I'm not going to go in the water.
No?
I don't want to go in the water.
Look at how cute it's at picking up the apple.
It's so cute.
There's the one I threw right there.
And I ate it.
You got it.
Holding it.
Yeah, they hold it. They hold it. I can't believe.
There's one I just threw.
Oh, it's waiting for you. Give me some food.
Oh, he is.
Give me some food.
Throw it out there, Michelle. Hold the bag. Oops, you got it?
Oh, he's so hungry.
He's right there.
So cute.
There you got it, Michelle.
That was just like, I'm eating the apple.
There he is. That's the one Michelle threw right there. Is he gonna get it? He's gonna get it.
He just needs
That's the one you threw. Look at him hold it.
I don't know how they hold it.
It's so cute.
It's
Putting
so
in the
cute.
bowl.
No, they're not flipping it. They're not flipping their paw. They're just doing
Too brown in there.
Hey, that's a very brown bear.
brown one. And it looks gold in the sun.
Yeah.
Looks gold in the sun. Not for me.
So these are the males. That was the yearlings we had over there. Here's one marching around by the door. So that's just a full-grown male.
You're supposed to throw it too fast.
People are throwing food. It's interesting how they eat off the back of their hand. It's so neat. I never knew. But he doesn't even have to go anywhere. Oh, look at him, he's begging.
It knows that you have a food. Smile for the food.
You can stand up? Come on, stand up. He knows how to pose.
Give me some food. Oh, it's hungry. Look.
It's like
He knows how to pose.
it's like hi.
That's neat.
It's Daddy. It's like
It knows.
Oh, look at that.
Look at those feet. Oh, and look. That's the pose
That's
of
how
baking
they-
food.
Yeah.
That's the pose of baking food. Look at
He's,
He said, give me. Yay, you got your fries.
a friend.
there's the females. This one says a potentially large, dangerous carnivore is kept on this property. Keep out. Well, you can't go into any of them, but still. This one is really stocky. I hope you can see it very well. She looks like a bulldog. She's really thick, and a shorter, wider head. That is a thick bear. Look at how she looks like a bulldog from the front. You see that? Her legs?
It's not moving a lot.
She's big. No, she's not moving much. She's really big.
Daddy, that one's the biggest one.
Yeah, she's big.
She's a big one. She's a big one.
Michelle, you want to go here? I'll take photo of you.
She's a big one.
She's too big, and look at her bag.
Are you acting like you're a bear?
Wow, they got big heads.
She's the biggest one.
These are really thick. Oh yeah.
The biggest one.
Look at the butt. I think this is the biggest one.
No, the other one is the biggest.
Oh, this one is the big. It looks like the biggest one.
The girls are huge.
The other one is the biggest.
They're so thick. Look at their front legs. They're bigger than my legs.
They're bigger than my legs.
They're bigger than you.
Oh, they stand there. Oh, it's
Oh, look,
waiting
they're
for you,
so cute. I can't believe they do
It's
that.
waiting for you
Mommy,
to
take a
feed them.
It's hard to get this on camera. Oh, there's a brown. Look at the color of that one.
Really? Las dos?
That's a good shot I'm getting of this one. That's a thick bear.
Mucho tonto y joroso.
They're so lazy.
That tiny one's big in food. They don't fight each other for food, Troy.
Well, yeah, but they're pretty docile, these ones. They know there's always another apple. Look at the color of that. It's got a white spot on the front, too.
My phone
What?
is not focusing with this too.
Oh, what the? Look at how round it is. Wow, look at how
Look
round.
at how lazy the butt is
I
gone.
know. Oh, wow.
The butt is
That
gone.
one's cute.
That's
And that
huge.
That one's cute.
Actually, that's a big male. We didn't get to see this one before. He is huge. Okay, he's bigger. He's really huge. Well, guys, our time here has come to a close. We had fun. We had some laughs. It was really cool. I had no idea how cool bears were. I've seen a lot of bears in my life, but just never sat down and watched them like this. Well, guys, please do like this video and subscribe if you haven't. I got always something different coming. Look at that. Oh, wow. He knows how to pose. Wow. Good closing shot.